Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of Flow. You will go to settings in this first page here of settings. Then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Flow and you will click. Then here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.